Satyamev Jayate, the Delhi High Court has now given its verdict and has said that it will not give any relief to Arvind Kejriwal. In a sense, Arvind Kejriwal ji, all your victimhood cards, all the bahanas that you've been making, the fact that you've been saying that the summons are illegal, that this entire liquor scam does not exist, all of them has been put aside. In fact, the court even asked Mr. Kejriwal, why don't you present yourself before the agencies? Why are you running away? It means Kejriwal ji, through his actions itself, is proving that he has something to hide in the Sharab Ghotala, that he himself is the kingpin, and that none of these allegations are allegations of vendetta, because in this matter, the Supreme Court has said 338 crore money trail has been found. The High Court has denied relief to Sanjay Singh. Supreme Court has denied relief to Manish Sisodia. Vijay Nair is in jail. Unfortunately, Mr. Kejriwal has undergone political conversion. And Anna Hazare used to say, first istifa, then janch. Take everybody's istifa. Today, forget istifa. He does not even want to participate in janch. 9 summons come to him, he tries to evade it, tries to run away from it, avoid summon, bhagjaw from someone, cover up from someone, divert from someone, does not want to answer the summon, does not want to answer the questions that have been posed to him. Why the commission was increased from 2.5% to 12%? Why is it that wholesale was given to private sector? Why blacklisted manufacturing companies were allowed to come in? Today, there is even the media reports that have come that a loss of 2,000 crores has been caused, minimum. The courts have spoken about money trail, but still they are brazen about it, saying that Bhrashtachar is our Jansid Adhikar. If we do Bhrashtachar and anybody catches us, we will shout Atyachar, Atyachar and play victimhood card. This victimhood card can't be played because the court has now told you that the summons are fine and illegal and you must present yourself before it. The question is, however, that today from Anna Hazare, Mr. Kejriwal's new guru is Lalu Prasad Yadav, who's been convicted. These are the people he's in company with, and therefore his attitude and approach on corruption has changed. And therefore, from Daru to Dawa, from Mohalla Clinic to Mahal, there is corruption in every department, and Mr. Kejriwal is celebrating corruption. He says that those who have been prima facie found guilty by the courts, they are Kattar Imandar. Satyendra Jain has had to go back to jail again. He needs to get Bharat Ratna for all the Bhrashtachar he's done, that they should get Nobel Prize. They should only get Nobel Prize and Bharat Ratna for the kind of bahanebazi, drama, and for the kind of cover-up they are trying to do. But if they have nothing to hide, now they must submit themselves and they must resign for all the corruption that they have done. That is the least they should do.